Hey, good afternoon. My name's T. Evans. Work here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 23 LSR. This boat's exterior colors in smoky granite, interior platinum, carbon accent. I'll show you that in just a second. Absolutely beautiful color scheme. Show you the outside. This boat, of course, is a tri-tune. Beautiful boat. We'll climb aboard, check out the inside, go over some options. Again, it's the platinum interior. Platinum interior with carbon accent. One of my personal favorites. This boat's powered with a Yamaha 150. Cup holders right there are portable, so you can move them around. I got the diamond pressed upholstery, co-captain's chair up front here, co-captain's lounge up front. You got the starboard lounge. We did put the 7-inch Simrad on this one. Upgraded Rockford PMX2 upgrade. Absolute beautiful boat. Captain chair. Does have a removable bow table. You can take this guy, store it away, leave it up front, wherever you'd like. A lot of people store it up under the console there. Storage up under all your seats. Side entry gate, of course, gate stop. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 23 LSR, powered with a Yamaha 150, smoky granite exterior, platinum interior with carbon accent. Give us a call at 864-236-9005. Have a great day.